Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make creme brulee recipe. Come on, let's get started. We need 1 cup of fresh cream, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of sugar and 3 egg yolks. I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh cream to this saucepan. I have preheated the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and when it is preheating we can get the other elements ready. To this I'm going to add a pinch of salt, also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix this well. So let this fresh cream be on low flame. Let it come to a heat. It should not boil. Also, I have kept around 3 cups of water in another pan. We also need boiling water for this recipe, so let this be here. We need 3 egg yolks for this recipe, so I'm going to separate it from these eggs. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to beat this well. The sugar should melt and it should turn to pale yellow color. So it might take around 3 to 5 minutes. This is the right consistency. So the sugar has melted and also it has turned to pale yellow color. Now our fresh cream has warmed a little, so it should not come to a boil. Now I'm going to mix this into the egg yolks and beat it well. Please remember the fresh cream is warm now. So if you add it to the egg yolks without mixing, the egg yolks will start to cook. So you will have to stir it continuously when you keep adding it. Add this gradually and mix it carefully. Now this is ready. I'm going to pour this into ramekin molds. Now I'm going to fill this tray with the boiling water. Now I'm going to place this inside the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So after 30 minutes you can check it once. It should develop a light golden brown color on its top, which means it is ready. So that is the right time to remove it from the oven. So let this go inside the oven now. I have taken it out of the oven. Now I'm going to remove this and bring it to room temperature. This has now come to a room temperature. I'm going to sprinkle sugar on top of it. Now we are going to place this in the oven on highest temperature until the sugar is caramelized. And now this is out of the oven. Look at this, it's caramelized perfectly. So it's time to taste. Wow. It's so crunchy on the top, and look at the custard. It's so soft and creamy. So yummy. Trust me, it's so creamy, and also the crunchiness from the caramelized sugar. The textures are different, but when we bite into it, it gives a wonderful feel. It is a must try recipe. Trust me and give this a try. You will all love this. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.